I'm Samina Nurtaj, and thank you everyone. Thank you Shine Shikha Poribar and Channel I for inviting me here. I'm very happy to be here, and also thank you our Stred Minister, Education Minister Bobby Hajja sir, for your valuable time and encouragement. So I'm a student of class 2, so I cannot participate in the Spelling Star 2026, but my brothers and sisters can participate. So it's a great opportunity for you, so you should participate here. And my brothers and sisters from class 4 or 5 can participate. So please participate in Spelling Star 2026. Thank you.
দেশ জুড়ে যে কোনো কেনাকাটায় 10,000 টাকার বেশি অফার, তাই পেমেন্ট মানেই বিকাশ।